What's good, guys?
What it do? So you have SMCI pulled up, Frank?
Word? Yeah, I can't. Maki still kills me with that. Word?
Say word.
Word.
What we got, AMD?
I'm stuck between AMD and Nvidia. So the reason why I really like AMD is that this has been stuck for a long time, and this is finally moving without the market. Now, granted, chip stocks are all moving with AMD as well, so it's hard to tell if AMD is doing its own thing as of yet. And then Nvidia just has a really nice setup at 131, so I'm kind of seeing which one I would like better.
ES is in a weird range here. I don't like this 57.75 to 57.60 area.
For me, it filled the gap already, so I quit looking at it. I'm not sure if you had anything else left on it though yourself.
Nah, it's just more. What, on ES?
Or not ES, SMCI. I thought you were
Oh,
talking about
nah.
SMCI.
No, ES.
Okay, okay.
Nah, I was joking about SMCI. Fuck SMCI.
Yeah, Ian, you missed it yesterday. Maki caught like a what? Like a literal 300% play? 400, yeah. It was 600 after he got out.
If he would have held, looking at.
Yeah.
What are you guys gonna have here at the open?
Nick, I think they were same days. I don't know yet, Benji. I mean, I'm stuck between AMD and Nvidia.
Not gonna lie, I think I like the setup more on the video because it's closing above the daily trend. And this 130.80 is like a crazy resistance on the 4-hour. But AMD has that gap fill. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the thing with it's not much more of the gap at this point. It's that it's finally breaking out. I just don't know if
Yeah.
it's because of chip stocks in general or what, but
I think I'm gonna have NVIDIA, and if it like pulls back or whatever and AMD gets close, I'll switch to that. But I like Meta at like Friday's low. Like that 581 area.
Yeah, I don't mind that. Where'd you like Tesla, Frank?
that's really just based on weakness, really. So maybe at either 241 or 240 for me.
Yeah, like we could scalp the 240 break, but like at like 238, that thing is gone.
Anything can be like above 240 though, I'm not interested. I'm gonna stay
Yeah,
away from any of this.
I think for me to take it at 241, I need to see a bounce there or something like
Pause.
that. Huh?
Pause.
Oh,
What's up, Nor? What you got it open here? 50 seconds.
I mean, SMCI just pulled back, so I guess Nvidia.
Oh, you were looking at SNCI?
Yeah.
What
yeah,
the
it's up the
heck?
most on the watch list. Would you guys look to take NVIDIA like at that 50 cent area or wait for yesterday's high?
Hold up.
Ah, man, I don't know.
This is off the open bullshit again.
If we do a red to green into that high, I would consider that high. If we push straight into that high, I'm gonna wait till the 80 cent mark. Does that make sense, Benji?
To the 80 cent, you said?
I'll wait till like the 80-90 cent area if this pushes just straight off the open. If we do a red to green, I'll consider the pre-market high.
Alright, but we got the 131s.
Yeah.
Seems like it's
Looking at the 131 calls, guys. That's fine with you, Frankie?
yeah, that's what I was looking at. AMD's holding up really well.
I might swap to that.
Yeah. Look
me
at
know when you
that,
do.
bro. Yeah, I'm making the switch.
Really?
AMD's or Nvidia's taking too long. AMD's still green.
175s.
Yeah.
Should alert that.
Oh, 172.80. No, let me know if Nvidia gets back to being close.
Yeah, I will. You're still good.
Market's dropping. AMD's holding up.
Yeah, I think I'm late.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's too quick though. I need this to hold here.
I'm about to sell here soon, personally.
Let me know when
Wow.
you do.
I just sold.
I just sold a third.
Yeah, built so late on that. I feel like.
Those contracts did not move that well. I mean, they. That's tough for like a premium flip like that.
What'd y'all get for the fill? I got 335.
I got 321.
That was so ass, bro.
I'm switching back to the video now.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
If you're
Yeah, that's
done
what I
with
did too.
AMD, get back to Nvidia.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Played that like shit, bro.
Yeah, Benji, I got I sent the fills there. 321 to 357.
I got 335 to 355.
Yo, guys, I'm looking at the 131 calls, and then entries round 130.50. Market is pushing now, though. Wow, SMCI straight down. That's interesting.
Peak sell on AMT Frank.
Literally.
Should alert that. Nor.
130.47 as of right now.
V. Nice, Miguel.
Wow, Miguel almost hit the T too. Wow.
Yeah, I had a 319 buy.
That's still not bad though. It's off the open, so it paid decent.
I was just expecting more. I was surprised at how little that paid with how aggressive that was.
Yeah, it's because the IV is so high off the open. It takes like 2-3 minutes to settle. So
Okay.
Oh, you cheated, huh, Cobalt? He was hoping Tesla was strong. Look, I mean weak. Looked strong as hell.
Just no good levels of play right now. Yeah, Greg, these are the times where, like what I was mentioning in the lesson yesterday, where sometimes we have to wait for like Nor even to signal something that he really likes sometimes an hour into the market. It's not always like that, but sometimes we just have to be patient, let our trading plan come to us and not force anything.
market's dropping. Nvidia's standing on business. All right, guys, getting ready. I'm in. I got 240 as my fill, guys. Oh my god. All right. 240 on the fill for the 131 calls.
I'm gonna have a tight stop on this for how strong this was.
Same.
We get above 131 and hold. I have room to like 133.
You have any trends or anything?
Yeah, I think it's the 1 hour. No,
If this can't get back above
4
one,
hour more.
it needs to hold the opening price here.
I'm gonna say this is where it started breaking out from, so
I think 130 is gonna be my stop here. Oh, what's your stop, Nor?
It all depends on these contracts. So let me see.
I hit my stop personally.
Look at that full engulfment to the downside.
And it's only a 10% loss. I didn't stop out. I'm
Yeah,
getting ready to.
so I bought at 240. It's at 221. I'm not out. It's right back at 230 a contract. So I'm still.
Look at NQ. Wow.
Yeah, I'm not getting out of that play. That doesn't make sense for me.
Yeah, I was only down 10%. They bought it back up above 130, which is good. Needs to hold 130 now, though. I don't want to see this again below that.
Contracts are green.
Another engulfment.
Yep. I might even add to this trade. We'll see.
I was about to ask you if you would add.
No, we'll see. We'll see.
Nah, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill too.
NQ is pushing. That's the only problem. SPY is the one that's kind of laid back here. Yeah.
I might sell a third here on the next high and we'll get back up there. Nah, never
Don't
mind.
do that, George.
No, I'm not. Never mind. Yeah, never mind.
I'm adding. There we go. Wow, 270 a contract. Gonna sell a third on the 131 break. That's the first sell that I'm looking for, 131. I'm gonna sell a third. Yeah, you should have been able to get into that. Yeah. Alright, I was about to say. Yeah, this is gonna be an easy one. At least the 131 break is super easy. We're gonna get it pretty much here. I'm gonna sell a third just so we can get some protection on these contracts. Here we
Pretty
go.
small wall
There's
here
a
too.
big wall here, guys. We should snap right through in a second. We're gonna get like a 20-cent pop here. Get ready. It chipped. We need to touch it one more time, and it's a movie. Movie. Yeah, I am fucking sick, actually.
You raising your stop now that you added or no?
No stop needed.
Alright. You're right.
Trust.
You right.
Remember we added. Bro, if this hits my stop, I'm done trading for the rest of the year. Saying hidden shit.
ES is starting to pull back here.
Whole market, yeah.
Nvidia's still holding significantly well, even though it was behind the market there on the push.
We need to touch 130.95 again, and it's a wrap. There's not much of a wall there left. I might even freaking add if it wasn't for the chat. Do I do that?
I feel like if you want to add, do it. I mean, it's your trading at the end of the day.
Yeah.
We give them a lot of warnings on what comes with averaging, or not averaging in, but buying more.
All right, SPY just pulled back heavy. Contracts are at 260. Green. Obviously, if you don't feel comfortable, you do what you feel like you want to do, guys. Alright, this is annoying. Damn, SPY, every time. I swear, every time there's an A+ setup, the market just ruins it some way, somehow. Some way, somehow, it just gets ruined.
This is a key point on Nvidia, so 131. I was up nice there on the re-entry. I just ended up selling break even.
Every time.
I got 254 to 260 there on the re-entry.
I ended up stopping out right there as well. But I only tried that once. I sold break even.
I guess that's fair. You could always try it again at 131.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's just because of the market. If it wasn't because of the market dropping so heavy here.
The reason why I stopped out so early on the original signal, like where you first signaled, is because I knew the original play was at 131, but I could afford to take some risks there. So
Yeah.
Probably want to try this to 130.90.
that's where I have my alert.
Tesla with the U-turn.
240. Might be a movie.
Yo, wow. I didn't even look at it till now. The video to me still looks really good, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, just ES is pushing up as well here.
Mm-hmm.
I think there's 57.70 to hold.
Brev, it definitely is.
The only thing, Brev, is it was doing it was ahead a little bit. It was still holding when it was dropping. It didn't drop as much. But yeah, definitely keep that in mind.
Was that on SMCI, by the way?
Alright, it's gonna be the last time I try this.
Oh, the video, okay.
Are you still in
Okay.
NVIDIA? Yes, I am. I'm green. But my stop is probably not going to be any more than 10% like last time. Those contracts held up really well, so we'll see. If they hold up really well, I'll be in it for a 10% stop.
Another failed hold of 57.70 for ES.
Pretty much break even. So you guys make the decision if you like it. But for me, I'm still in. I don't see a reason to get out.
I might switch to Tesla soon.
The reason I don't see a reason to get out, guys, is this was at the top while the market was dropping, and market just fell to the bottom while Nvidia's still holding up. So it's not lagging behind anything. There is nothing it's lagging behind. It's Nvidia doing Nvidia things right now. It's not weak. It's not strong. It's Nvidia. So stop looking at the market for answers. Now, is it a negative that we didn't kind of like push up with the market? Yeah, it sucks that it didn't drag us a little bit to get closer, but it's not lagging behind the market and it's not weaker than the market. It has nothing to do with the market right now. Are you going to add again? Yes, at 130.96. If I get the right move up there, I'll signal. But can I hit my stop in before that? Yeah. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, it keeps holding opening price. I still like this. Let me know if you switch to Tesla, Frank.
I'm considering it soon. I wanted to right there, but I told myself just to chill and wait and for the actual level to come.
You're looking at 240, 241.
240. really like 241, but I think the better play would just be waiting for that pre-market low, in my opinion.
Yo, freaking SPY looks like a barcode.
What's the exact low on that candle? 240.36.
I think I'm gonna swap over to that
Ooh, what is a 15-minute, George?
on Tesla.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to I'm gonna switch to Tesla until Nvidia comes back.
Nvidia's nice. I mean, Tesla's nice at 240.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'll just wait for that level instead.
It has a head start right now.
These are a little pricey.
let me let me switch these real quick.
What do
Oh,
you
yo,
have?
these are still pricey. What the fuck?
The event.
God, $8, bro, for 240s.
What do you have pulled up?
I'll do the 235s.
I was thinking there too.
Man, that entry at low day would have been nice.
Oh,
I will say though, from that low of day entry point till now, those contracts moved 50 cents.
high the IB is. Let me know. I'm gonna be doing this switcheroo shit here.
Yo, I'm dead.
Yo, Nvidia's actually coming back too. Hate this.
You gotta just have two book traders open at that point for you guys.
Never. The last time I did that, oh, it was a hectic morning.
I'm not gonna. I think since the way the IB is and all that shit, I think I'd rather play Nvidia.
It's just smart, right? Yeah.
I mean, it depends which ones you get right now.
Like contract wise?
Yeah. No. Which one happens for you?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna switch over once we get above 40 cents. As long as it's strong there, which is damn near there. Alright,
Just Nvidia doing Nvidia things.
swapped over, Frank.
Yeah, I swapped over. I was waiting for the 50 cent level.
The 5-minute looks crazy on Nvidia.
Yeah, this is just stuck in a range right now. So. How are the other chip stocks doing? Did those pull back too, or wow, SMCI, wow,
Straight to 45.
damn, that got killed.
Nobody actually cares about that stock.
I know one person who does.
No, I'm saying like investors.
Oh, Jared, you're chilling then.
Market's
It's early.
pushing.
It's only 20 minutes in the market, so we've got plenty of time.
Market is pushing right now. Microsoft.
Someone asked if your Nvidia stop hit, or
I'm still in. If this takes any longer, though, I'm walking away. I'm giving it like a solid 4 or 5 minutes here. 5-minute candle just closed.
walking away in general, or just the stock itself?
Huh?
Are you
Oh
walking
no,
away
the
from
the stock itself.
Okay.
Like
I was
you,
like, dang.
green or red in 4 or 5 minutes. If it's not close to either side here, and it's just stuck here, I'm gonna walk away.
All right.
Fucking ES, bro. Another rejection there. 57.70.
Is ES stuck in a range? Because
Yeah,
NQ is.
big time, bro. There's the 5-minute right here.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I just looked at it.
Sam, there is no vape.
That's crazy right there.
It isn't holding 30 cents. I don't have any key levels at 30 cents for NVIDIA.
It's Maki's. Maki sent that.
What,
Let's see
30
the
cents?
T, George. No, the thing on ES.
Oh.
That's Maki's NVIDIA chart right now. No.
Where is that? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. That is. Is that like the algo he has?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That stuff doesn't look that good anymore.
Yeah, I'm gonna look around for a little until NVIDIA decides to come back.
It's still pretty close. I'll let you know.
Yeah, I have an alert set at the 60 cent mark to switch over.
Okay.
Whenever that does get close. I'm just seeing if there's anything that we're actually missing. Apple broke yesterday. That was depressing.
It was slow though.
Yeah, no, I'm saying because I was hoping that would be a play to set up for today, for the morning, but did not get it.
Higher lows on NVIDIA. So what I'm gonna do is, as long as we don't break 129.85, I'll stay. I'm gonna use 129.85 as my stop because every low has been higher. So if we change that, I'm out of it.
Alright, that's where I want to see ES get momentum to the upside.
Jesus, Oracle. The opening was crazy on that.
Out of all chess stocks, I think Nvidia still looks the strongest, Nor.
Yeah, I'm not walking away from this trade unless it like actually breaks.
Alright, Frankie, 60 cents got closed there.
Yeah, I switched back to it. Thank you. I'm hoping we get this tomorrow. It would be Shopify. That setup looks nice.
I pray we don't.
You never like my Shopify plays.
Nah, I caught a crazy one with you. Well, I signaled it freaking in boot camp.
On Herb Day?
Was it?
It might have been.
No, I'm talking about tomorrow being Herb Day.
Oh.
I would probably say if the setup is right, yeah, I probably would. I think those type of contracts are easier to manage a stop loss than like the pricier ones.
Contracts didn't lose much in value, but it lost a little bit. It'll change as soon as we go in the money at 131. So
You see ES breaking out here?
yeah, everything is NQ been broke out. I'm getting ready to add at 95 cents. Just a heads up. If you don't want to add, don't add.
George, your alert's at 90 cents still?
Yeah.
Okay. Evan here. Looks like George and I are agreeing to retake the trade at around 90 cents.
Damn, Tesla came back.
Yeah, that's what I said. It doesn't look good anymore to the downside.
SMCI making a U-turn again to the downside.
SMCI is making a U-turn to the downside again.
Yeah, bear flag.
Good. I want that stock off my watch list finally.
Alright, it's my this yes, it's breaking still. This Nvidia's not.
Yeah, this is where the play gets messed up, by the way. When it does things like that.
Yeah, Jared, when I don't see contracts like that, when an opening play flip as volatile, then I usually just try to get out as soon as possible. Plus, if you think about it too, Jared, I mean, you know this, it's an opening play. You're not supposed to, I mean, at least me, right? I'm not looking to hold those trades out at all. They're opening plays. It's just people buying and selling everything from overnight and any news from the morning. So I'm just looking for those quick percentages. And if it plays out better than I had expected, then awesome.
Is it a red flag that NQ is at high of day and Nvidia is not? No.
You mentioned it earlier, Boss Ben, that NVIDIA has been doing its own thing now.
It's not ideal, but it's no. Because it's not weak with the market, so it's not going to be strong with the market. Either way, it's it's not lagging because it wasn't ever moving with the market, so it can't lag. When SPY had that big red candle, look at it, and then Q had the big red candle, Nvidia didn't flinch, so it's not lagging because it's not even following on the downside. So if something's weak or lagging, it would get killed on a red candle from SPY or NQ. That's the difference between the two. Nvidia is just choosing a wick from the downside, wick from the top side, and just go from there. Every other stock is at high of day. No. The Tesla's not at high of day. SMCI is not at high of day. AMD is not at high of day. Doing its own thing. Actually, you know what you could say? Tesla could be lagging. Market just had a slight red candle. Look at Tesla. Nvidia's having a green candle while market's having a red. So that's the difference. That's what lagging means. Tesla is lagging.
Got another alert depending on how we get there, Frank, at 79.80.
All right. Okay. That 80 does not look bad.
Yeah, 80 is the number now. But I'm still going to wait till 90 for adding.
I moved my alert to 85 because of that.
See the 1 minute trend there?
Yep, 130.
We just touched it. Yeah, I didn't see anything.
Yo, they just added a stupid amount of wall. Guys,
Oh, we're back
it's
at
over. Oh my god. God damn. The wall was crazy.
Since this is a consolidation and it's trying to break out, are you looking to hold longer or
I'm
what's
holding.
your...
I'm holding till target.
Okay.
It doesn't make sense to not.
Right after being in all that, yeah.
Whoa, they added. I wasn't talking about the move on this side. I was talking about the freaking wall that they had. Guys, so what I have typed up is a third. So I'm getting ready to sell a third. New highs. Wow.
Wow.
I just sold a third there, Nor.
All right.
Right at that 1 minute trend.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want this below. This needs to hold 131 now.
Bank, but you have to remember Nvidia has been consolidating without the market's help at all. So
Bro, if someone else says this is what NQ, I'm gonna have to fucking give them an ass whooping. I just explained it 500 times. This is crazy. St. Herb Day. Wait till tomorrow to say that type of shit.
Go, come on.
What's target? I haven't sold anything yet. I'm selling on the 40-cent break a third. There it goes. Another wall's there. I need one more touch there and I should be out. Yep. Sold a third. Wow. Contracts. Backflips. Thank God for adding twice. Wasn't missing that shit.
I'm gonna sell another third here at the 50 cent.
You want some soft shit, George? Relax. I got you.
Come on, we in here. Come on.
I got you. Don't trip. Don't trip, don't run, George. I got you. 295 a contract. Getting ready to sell on the 60-cent break. I'm gonna sell another third, so I'll have 1/3 left.
almost 3 a contract.
Yes, sirski. This is crazy. That's how you move. I really don't want to sell. So, for everybody said that was lagging behind the market, look at SPY and look at NQ. You get what I mean? I mean, you should get what I mean. Explained it 100 times.
Oh.
I didn't sell. I
Oh.
didn't sell. I didn't sell. I didn't sell.
I did. I sold that. I only got a third left.
Bro, this Invisalign, bro. I hate this shit.
Jose, for me, it already broke the 1 minute trend.
Yeah, it broke. Now it's bouncing off of it. This is exactly what I want to see. I really don't want this below that anymore. We got the 5 minute trend without pre-market at 131.90.
I wouldn't count that trend line.
Yeah,
That's-
but
that starts from a super random point.
on the without pre-market,
Oh, mine's with pre-market. But I don't like that trend line. It just runs through everything.
Our contracts are in the money. In the money. In the money. I don't really see anything. That might have been the last trade of the day, to be quite honest with you guys.
I might do the same with you.
Might.
Yeah.
I don't know.
no, me, yes, sure.
Yeah, I mean, there's not.
Zach and Nora's still in, so
What happened? What I missed?
Zach asked if we're still in. I said you're still in.
Yeah, I'm still in.
I'm still in also. I really don't want this below that breakout level though. 131 is gonna be my
Just
trailing.
because
for
Nora's
the
in
rest.
doesn't mean we all have to be in. You know what I mean?
Only got a third left.
George, for you, for something like this, would you have 131 as your strict stop or wait for a hold?
No, it's a hold. It's a
Okay.
hard aggressive. Yeah, I gotta see the candle close. Maybe not the candle close, but you know what I mean.
How aggressively you get back there? Okay.
So like right there, you can kind of see it slow down a little bit. Buyers wanting to start a wicket. Even if that same characteristics there goes at 131, then I'm still gonna be in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
Wait,
wiggle
what?
room probably from 131 to 130.80.
What was
Look at
14%? Not that trade.
on the re-entry where we got in, it was 17 at the top. See Frank, that's exactly what I was talking
Yeah, I see it.
Oh. Man. My entry was 240 and it hit a high of like 295.
I had a 252 buy on the re-entry.
I had 253. Nice.
See now this on the next retest here at 131. Now I'm gonna be a little bit more stricter now. Like now I want this to hold above this trend now. Personally. Then again, I only got a third left, so I'm chilling.
Being chilling. Yeah, Tesla's not happening today.
Damn, the stream is on a 5-minute delay and they caught that shit. What the fuck? Oh, it's because it took that long.
I was gonna say, bro, you know how long that trade took?
Yo, these guys.
Alright, look how it's holding up now against ES, so this is nice.
It's lagging, George. Fuck. Yo, if I heard that one more time, I was gonna fucking break the computer.
Nor that crash out on
Yo,
everybody.
I'm dead serious, bro.
Bro, just like the guy with the herb stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Alright.
Just breathe. Wait, what was that? What was that meme? Just breathe. I'd rather
This
Jose
is
say,
above 50 cents again. This is should shoot straight through.
bro. I'd rather Jose say some dumb shit like there's a trend on the 5-minute on the contracts. That's what I'd rather.
Then them keep saying it's lagging.
Flagging, yeah. Like Jose saying that makes it way more fun. At least it's funny, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, come on. Nvidia's running out of room here, so needs to do one thing or another. Either get back above.
Go grab a shot, George. Trust me. I'm gonna celebrate this one.
Tranquilo, Jorge, tranquilo.
Tranquilo, papi.
What's that thing called? Mezcal?
This guy, yeah.
Yeah.
Grab that. If you take one, it'll shoot. If you take
You
two,
see how we got bought up again, Frank, at 131?
Yeah.
spy green or red. That's disgusting.
This is looking lovely.
Alright, yo, I love NVIDIA and all, but this should take no more than 2 more minutes, max. Like 120 seconds.
Yep, that's why I sent what I sent.
And honestly, I'm gassing it. It should take less. Oh, okay, never mind. Here we go. Cook up, baby. New high.
These
Yeah.
contracts did not lose value, bro.
Not a dollar. Because we're in the money. Alright, seriously though, we need to get out soon. I have 2/3 left. I've only sold a third total. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to sell a third. Nice wall over here. Can we get a pop through 73? 73 before I get mad. Alright. This fucking stock is lagging.
Making highs, huh? As the market's dropping.
71, 73, 74. Sold another third. 305 a contract. All right, I got a third left, boys and girls, and everyone else, and in the middle, I got a third left.
Waiting for 132 here.
Nah. That 1 minute trend is fucked. Not Oh, 5-minute trend. I'm sorry. Those are respectable. In
On
a
the-
way. Stop loss is not below 131. 100%. 120%. I
think I
really
might just
want to
do
get rid of this
40.
at 90 cents. Yo, you know what's crazy? The market is lagging behind the video now.
My stop on these is gonna be 20 cents.
Oh man, I could tell how close Noah's crashing out with that question, bro.
Bro,
Beautiful bounce there. We need to come straight through though.
I was in too heavy for those types of questions, bro. Nah, we make fun of each other because we want each other to be better. That's why. Jose gets
Beautiful bounce, bro.
toasted at least once a week. All right, here we go. We're at 310 a contract. Wow.
Look at that bounce, man. Ooh.
Keep lagging, baby. Yup. Oh my God. Those contracts didn't move right there though.
Nah,
My P&L
I'm
didn't
waiting
move.
with you to sell.
All right, yo, George, we're getting fucking greedy. The trend is at 131.90, brother. The fuck are we doing?
Yeah, it's alright. I mean, you only got a third left.
Bro, a third is a lot.
No, you're right. So another so half of that.
Bro, that shit is 40, probably
I
like
was just-
$43,000 worth.
I
of
almost
contract.
guessed that. Wow.
So half of that. So half of that on this next pop.
All right, here we go.
315.
Here we go. Yo, this shit is so liquid. Oh my God. Yo,
All right,
George,
that
what the
trend.
fuck, bro?
Well, you wanted 90 anyway, so we need 2 more cents.
Yeah, I
I'm sell
know.
everything.
I'm
I'm
over
gonna
here
sell everything on the 90. I'm not gonna wait for 132 either.
Who said we were waiting for 32?
I thought you said maybe.
No. 90, bro, and it was 2 cents off and we didn't fucking sell. That's greedy. That was some fucking herb shit. Oh my God, that was the trend line. There's a fucking ascending triangle on the contracts right now. Jose.
Anybody should step back in here.
Hey, they better. Alright, all jokes aside, if we come back to 90, we selling? Or are we waiting for 132?
I'm selling.
Be honest.
I'm selling, and my stop is 25 cents.
What does George do like 5 minutes into the trade after we all left?
Huh?
What's the saying he does?
Loading load.
Oh,
Yeah.
You just hear that 5 minutes later with Benji. Benji started doing it too.
Load or low.
Yo. Yo, you know what's crazy? Contract's still good at
Yeah,
$3
they're
here.
Yeah. It might have gained value actually.
I think so, yeah. It's right around there. Definitely. That and the money is beautiful. When people ask why don't we play so far away, that shit is not going to do that on the 133 calls.
No.
Yo, Jerry.
You're still in the trade, Benji?
Nah.
Why you sound sad, white boy?
Huh?
Why
How much would you be up if you were holding? I'm getting ready to stop here in Nor. 25 cents for the rest of these.
You're going to stop at 45?
25.
Oh, okay. I've already committed to the pot. I can't get out. I can't fold.
Really want this to close above 50 here. How much time we got? 30.
I just jammed the river, so I can't fold.
Huh?
You wouldn't understand, Frank.
Poker talk.
What'd you say, George?
Poker talk.
Yeah, he
I thought
knows.
I thought you said grown-up talk. I was like, yeah, I can't argue
I
with
mean,
that.
technically, and then
It is. Yeah, that's why I started laughing.
Yo, contract still 280.
I just stopped out there. I didn't like that. On the rest of them, it was a great trade.
Yeah. Jose.
4-figure day. I'll take it.
Yo, Jose, what are we doing about that hurricane? Are we gonna put a wall up this time?
They asked me last night what kind of risk management we can do for that hurricane. I said just put some sandbags in the house. Pray.
Bro, those sandbags aren't gonna do anything.
That's
12-foot storm surge.
Yo, I'm mad, bro. Yo, this guy is crazy.
Oh, man, went crazy.
Oh, Brad, you actually had. Oh my god, is it hitting like the whole, like bottom East Coast?
East Coast.
What?
Like
Oh,
like
hitting-
bottom coast?
It's hitting the Gulf Coast of Florida.
Yeah, pretty much just Florida, brother.
Oh,
I
then
think
why is
God got
Brad
fed up.
saying he's like, not East Coast.
It's gonna like go through Florida and then be on the East Coast, but like it'll probably be died down by then.
Oh.
All right,
Uh,
my patience is running a little low. Everyone.
I don't have trailing stop dev, so I don't know how to do that either on TOS. My trailing stops are all mental.
It sounds like Nor needs some mezcal.
Nor don't drink.
I mean, I'm down after this trade. Why not?
Huh?
Said I'm down after this trade. You just can't tell me what's in it. I can actually drink though, because an accident is an accident. You know what I mean?
What were you saying, Benji?
I was asking what he knew about that mezcal.
Oh, because I'm Mexican? That's why you're asking me?
What?
Mezcal is Mexican stuff.
Yeah.
I was saying 'cause Benji, I was trying to, never mind.
Oh, cause you're. Oh, never mind.
I was trying to make a dark humor joke against Benji.
Damn, $3 a contract, and I still got 25 cents till high. There's a possibility this trade might get an ad.
Oh, whoa.
Maybe. I'm just playing. I don't know if I'm playing, but
Could you ever smoke a cigar and trade?
bro, who's thinking up a house with a cigar? We're not doing that unless we trade outside. Yeah, I'll 100% down.
That thing would be gone within like that 1 minute trade.
Chief in a cigar like a vape. What the fuck?
How long should I give this before I just walk away?
Should you what?
How long should I give this before I walk away? I want to hit the gym.
You could always just do. Here's your stop loss. Here's your take profit, and then just do you. Didn't you do that yesterday with Tesla?
Yeah, but I'm saying for me here, should I take the W for the rest of these contracts, walk away, or should I sell? Should I hold? Should I sell? The debate.
Jared, that glitch doesn't exist anymore, so don't even have to worry about that. They nerfed me back then. When they got rid of that.
Huh.
Bossman, to me, it just started from a random point. It was just like like it started from a random point. It was running through multiple candles. So like those types of trends for me are just hold no value.
I'm
I
putting
try to
down
look.
hard stop.
I try to look for respected trend lines, Bossman, meaning trend lines that are actually like following the stock in some form of way, or the stock is following.
I put a hard stop, guys. 131.07. $131.07. Guess who stop hit? Whoa. Okay then. This shit is gonna wick right back up. But I
That's why I
don't care.
mentioned 80 cents earlier, but yeah, I'm with you. I don't care. Fuck all that.
Hell no. I should pay the bills.
Yep.
No, when was the last time you sized up on your position sizing overall?
Like right now.
Like actually, like it's been different from your other ones.
Yeah, usually I kind of keep it chill, like 60 to 80K. When you see me adding, it's like it's movie time.
That's when it's gonna be above 6 figs, huh?
Yeah. Cause I don't add the risk of adding is too high for me to choose to do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's really no point.
What do you mean, Jose?
I think people are just too used to going all in on a trade and then just leaving it. You know what I mean? You have to set it up accordingly. So let's say you're getting into a trade, you want to allow it to develop, and the cost of allowing the trade to develop, you see the potential to be like 15 to 20%. You have to adjust how much value you put into those contracts to be able to take a hit of 15 to 20%. That's how it works. Right? Or if your risk is 10%, 10 to 12%, you have to adjust how much you're going to put to be willing to risk 10 to 12%. That's how it works. All that is played into the T, and then you could choose to add on top of the trade so that you can adjust your reward to the trade.
Yeah, Jose, I'm still a little far away.
Nah, yeah, that's like realistically.
I might have sized up there as well myself.
How much you up today? Like 2, right?
Nah, only 1,000. But remember I took the re-entry.
Yeah.
I added when you added.
Jose, every time Frankie adds 1K to his position, I'll add 10 just to make sure that never happens.
The only time I ever actually beat Nor is on the weird stocks, if he decides to take those trades.
Yo, the slippage on 60K positions is nothing on the stocks that we play. Do you see how liquid the contracts I play are? Spreads are tight, 81,000 in volume just on the 131 calls if you take a look. I'm a baby fish.
Yeah, De Niro. I mean, I say that because I actually sized up on that last one, but sizing up just, it helped me get my money back from the earlier trade. I'm pretty much 3, I guess you can say. It really should be 111. That I'll consider the AMD one break even. I only sold a third and sold the rest break even. I only made like 100 on that, so I don't know if that's a stat or not. But yeah, only because I mean, yeah, gets to the point where can't really look at it as much. Like, it is what it is.
Yo, Lobos, yeah, let's say you're doing the right thing. Just because you have a big account and you can buy a lot more contracts doesn't mean you should. You talked about that last night in the lesson where I believe in the idea where you should trade how much you're comfortable trading with, not based on a percentage of the account, whatever that case is. That's just my own belief system with that. So the fact you're just trading with 2 to 3 contracts and you're staying disciplined with that and not kind of like getting FOMO that you think you should be making more, that's good. So you're on the right track.
Yo, Hong Kong index just crashed 9.4% today, posting its largest drop since 2008, second largest drop since 2000. Over the last 3 weeks, China's stock market is up nearly 30% on stimulus announcements. That's wild.
I'm break even today because of the NVIDIA trade since I heard that on AMD. Is that bad? Because I went heavy for NVIDIA. If you had to go heavy on NVIDIA to make up that loss, I think that's a bad thing. I always mention, as much as I can, like anytime we're actually looking to play an open market open signal, is to size lighter because it's a lot more volatile. So maybe you could have taken that open trade, maybe a little bit lighter dinero, so you don't have to take a heavy size on NVIDIA to make up that loss, if that's what your goal was. Because if that's what your goal was, you're also on the wrong track too. It shouldn't be like that. Do you think I should make my stops bigger easily? And I have small accounts are very risky for me to re-enter. I don't think you should make your stops bigger. I believe 10% is pretty good overall for anybody. Like especially if you're new. The system that I have, which works for me at this point, because that's just what I've been working with, right? I know how to work around it. But for someone who's new, I don't think it's bad to have that kind of stop loss. So, and even like you can even take it to this extent too. We thought that NVIDIA was going to break out right there because it started picking up momentum despite what the market was doing on the originals, like the very first signal, before Nor added more. And what I ended up doing was selling just right below break even, so selling like maybe like 2 to 3% red on that. You could even do that, right, because of how volatile those plays can be. So it's all perspective. Those are things you have to go back and journal about and see, okay, maybe if this happened to pull back, would it have been better for me to get out and maybe just re-enter the trade at a safer point? Those are the kind of things that help with journaling DH, with having to go back and see, okay, maybe I did get in a little early, or maybe this wasn't my entry point that I wanted to get in on. Maybe I wanted to get in at 131, but instead I followed the signal that happened at 130.50. It all depends on where you, like that those kinds of things matter and go a long way when you're journaling. Amro, so my thought process if I ever re-enter a trade is I look for the missing factor or missing catalyst that made my trade go red originally. So for me was, granted it wasn't moving with the market, but NVIDIA just happened to come down whatever the market was doing and I just happened to hit my stop. There wasn't enough momentum anymore, volatility dying down, so I knew going to the second trade, I knew that I needed to wait for those two things to show up. NQ, like I said, or like Nora's been saying, it hasn't been affecting NVIDIA at all the entire day, and that's what I was hoping to see when I re-entered the trade. So when NQ was just flat, not doing anything, and NVIDIA happened to start coming back up, doing its own thing like it has been all morning, I saw momentum and volume kick up. That's when I knew I was like, okay, these are the missing factors that I had on the last trade that I had that made me go break even /red. So for me, it's always finding that missing factor that I missed out on my current trade. That's how I go about re-entering.
Yeah, that, and if it looks good, it has to look better. That's the only thing and that kind of goes back to the other question that somebody had.